Hey everyone, it's Denika, a home DIY expert, and in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the top 5 hand tools I think that every DIYer should own. So first up is your hammer, and as you can see, mine is very well used. From hanging pictures to even installing some tricky laminate flooring, your hammer is your #1 go-to, mine anyway, in my toolbox. Then you've got your tape. It's pretty self-explanatory. I don't think there's a DIY project out there that you're not gonna need to measure, so pick yourself up one of these. So next up, your stud finder. It's fairly simple because you're not gonna be able to hang shelves, heavy mirrors, or pictures without it. The next up is your clamp. The reason I put this one on your list is oftentimes DIYers are doing it solo and by themselves with only 2 hands. Pick yourself up a couple of clamps and you've now got more. So last up is the level. What's the point of doing a DIY project if it's gonna be sloppy and slanted, whether it's picture frames, mirrors, or artwork, like the one behind me? You're gonna wanna make sure that everything is straight and level. So do you have anything you think I should add to the list? What's crucial in your toolbox? Let me know in the comments below and subscribe for more videos. These 5 tools are, why am I blanking? What's crucial in your toolbox? If you have any comments, let me know in the comments below. We need a blooper reel.